In this video, I'm going to show you a trading strategy that will not only make you never trade against the market trend, but will also the best time to enter trades. To add this indicator to your chart, you want to go to the trading view and then here load any trading security that you like in any time frame, and then click on the indicators and type in Trend Trader Strategy. Now, this is just a signal generator indicator, which means we can use it by itself to take position because we need to find the trend first. So, let's add another extra indicator, but before that, you can subscribe to our channel TradeGenius to get access to more than 300 profitable strategies and choose the one that suits your trading style. Alright, now back to the strategy. Head back to the indicator section and search for the 3 EMA indicator. It's going to be this one. Click on it to add it to your chart. Now, click that settings icon next to the indicator name so we can change some settings. So now we have all the tools set up. Let's see how we can trade using these two indicators. If you were to take a long trade, the first condition would be to ensure that the market trend is bullish. For that, the order of the moving averages should be such that the 100 moving average should be above the 200 moving average and both should be above the 400 moving average. You want to make sure that the price is trading above all these moving averages. Now condition number 2 is that you want to see the price candles break above the trend trader strategy line so that the candles changes color from red to green. Once we have these conditions met, we can take a long trade. The stop loss is going to go right under one of the moving average lines. For the take profit, it's going to be at 1.5 times the risk. Now we're going to do the opposite, sell trade. First, ensure that the market is in a bearish trend. This can be identified when the 100 moving average is below the 200 moving average and both are below the 400 moving average. Also, the price should be trading below all these moving averages. Next, look for the price candles to break below the trend trader strategy line. This is indicated when the candles changes color from green to red. So, once these conditions are met, we can proceed to take a short trade. Then, place your stop loss right above one of the moving averages. The take profit should be set at 1.5 times the risk. Now let's take a look at the backtesting result. Out of 100 trades on the Bitcoin chart using a 15-minute time frame, we had 69 profitable trades with 31 losing trades. This gives us a win rate of 69%. The maximum consecutive losses were 4, meaning you could have experimented 4 back-to-back losses. Conversely, we had a streak of 8 consecutive wins. The maximum drawdown was 3.94, and based on 1% risk per position, this means we risk 1% of our account per trade to achieve a profit of 1.5%. The strategy yielded a 104% gains on the account. All the trades occurred over roughly 3 months. That's basically everything for this video. What do you think of this strategy? Do you have any suggestions for improving it? Well, if you do, let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.